So we're going to go over 3 ways that you can make money without any investment today. So the first one is we're going to go over how you can make money doing basic tasks such as surveys, photo and video identification. The second way I'm going to show you how to make money online is transcription. Now, if you know a second language, again, not all of us know a second language. I speak a little Japanese, but I don't speak barely any. But if you know how to translate stuff, or if you're willing to watch videos and subtitle them, you can make money doing transcriptions. You can make a little more money than basic tasks usually. And the third way of making money is selling your skills. Now, if you have skills that you can use on the internet or whatnot, I'm going to show you how you can sell your skills. People will pay you money for your skills. So let's get online, let's get on the computer, and I'm going to show you these 3 ways of being able to make money online without any investment. So if you go on Google and if you search Amazon Mechanical Turk, right? That's a super weird name. I do not get it. But if we look at Amazon Mechanical Turk, it's a crowdsourcing marketplace. So if you want to make money doing basic tasks, surveys or whatnot, you can go there. And there are all sorts of jobs for you to get started with making money online. Look at how many jobs. I just signed up for this just a couple minutes ago, and I can already see that button, accept and work. All of these jobs I can accept and start working immediately. Kitchen appliance classification. If I want to classify different kitchen appliances, I can do this. If I can say market research survey, I can do all of these things and I can make some money doing. That's very easy. The second way I can make money online is doing transcription. So what I looked up is I'm just on a translation website here. I actually use this site. A side note, I've spent over $50,000 with this website, paying people to translate stuff for me. But this site is called rev.com. Scroll down to the bottom, we'll see it says freelancers right here. Okay, so now if we click on freelancers, you can join their team of freelancers and you can earn money working from home, translating stuff, work on your own schedule, all that stuff. You just need to translate. So see, you can do, they have all these different translation stuff right here. Great way to earn some money. Now you're getting paid about anywhere from 36 cents to $3 per minute of translate stuff. So if you know a foreign language, this is a great opportunity to make some extra cash. So the third way of making money online, which will make you a little bit more, is selling your skills if you have a particular skill, such as accounting or web design or web development. And the best site I would recommend for that is Upwork.com. So I use Upwork.com also just as a company owner. I find a lot of people to do basic tasks for me, from legal contracts to accounting to bookkeeping to marketing to design to web development, to all these different sorts of areas. And you see it says get it done with a freelancer. What this is called freelancer. Now, if you log in, and I started my business as a freelancer. Now I'm an affiliate marketer and I'm selling my own products. But when I got started, I was managing people's online ad accounts for anywhere from $250 to $1,000 per month. That's what each of my clients paid me. And I found them on Upwork. Now, you don't get the best price for your money as opposed to if you meet with somebody in person or you have connections, but you get money from it, and it's a very easy way to start working on your own. And it'll pay a lot more than if you're doing basic tasks on Amazon. You can only earn probably about $7 to $10 an hour if you're doing surveys on Amazon. So let's look at this. Let's say you are an accountant, and I type in accounting. And here we go. We have a ton of jobs for accounting right on here. Let's look at a few. If I typed in accounting, and there's 1,738 jobs listed for people looking for somebody to help them with accounting. Let's look up another job category. Sales. I just typed in sales. We have 2,109 jobs for sales. And let's look up, let's look up AdWords, which is what I used to do, Google AdWords. There's 417 jobs for people looking for contract freelancers to help them with their Google AdWords. And what I used to do as a freelancer is I would apply to I would apply every day. I'd keep myself to a quota, 25 jobs. Just apply to 25 jobs a day. I'd hope to get a few clients from that. That's how I did. That's how I started my agency, and that's how I started my first business. From Upwork, I was able to earn over $10,000 per month just as a freelancer.